Welcome back, and time now for some business news, because in this evening's edition of the Business Review, we feature a company revolutionizing market research. It's the story of Orbital Brand Science.
This seemingly strange-looking device is changing the way companies collect data to improve their business. It uses advanced neuroscience to mathematically gather objective data, a concept being pushed by Orbital Brand Science. And as Adrian Dunkley, co-founder and chief science officer, tells us, technology is what drives this business.
Effective, think of it like we're measuring the brain signals to understand the reactions, the emotions of individuals. We also use computer vision approaches where we analyze persons using specialized glasses and goggles that we developed locally, and also use artificial intelligence and algorithms to ensure a complete 360 understanding of the wants, the needs, and the desires of your customers and your potential leads.
Most of the tools and techniques have been developed locally, and with more companies delving into digital technology, Orbital Brand Science was able to secure financing to build.
This was funded by the Development Bank of Jamaica. They put a lot of time and effort and funding into helping us develop this product and this curated solutions. This is a partnership with Breakthrough. This is a new service that's going to be offered under Breakthrough to ensure that their customers and new customers can tap into global level scientific capabilities for market research without breaking the bank. We're developing local talent to ensure that our products and services can compete on a global scale.
As for how it works,
we use neuroscience techniques, traditional market research, artificial intelligence, data science, combination of different approaches. So you don't have one answer to the question, you have all the possible answers to the questions to make the best decision that you can possibly make.
And the company's ultimate goal?
We want to provide a service that was made for developing countries that were on a journey of digitization, a journey of technology adoption, but also at an affordable rate.
With the Business Review, I'm Carrie Ann Simpson.